Hello friends, welcome to Digital Danny YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you how and what is the best way for you to start website development. If you want to learn website for your career or maybe for your college project or for anything, I am going to tell you the best source for you to learn website development from scratch, and this will be the one of the best sources for you to learn website development. So let us go to Google, and we will just type W3 schools, and you have to go to this link, W3 schools online web tutorials. You have to go over here, and from here you have to just follow the all the links from this HTML and CSS, JavaScript, server side, programming, web building, XML tutorials, references. So from here you can just learn HTML, because HTML is the basic of website development. If somebody wants to learn how to make website, they should know that what is HTML. HTML is the fundamental of making a website. So let me just take you through one of the chapters. So this is learn HTML. In this you will see that it is showing you the basics of HTML, and here you can try it yourself also. You have to just click over here and see our editor will open, and from this editor you can do the direct coding over here and just check how it is working. See, let us suppose I type over here, this is a heading, this is testing of demo. So I'll click run and see this will come. Okay, so this is the basic of HTML. So from here you can just try your skills and you can learn HTML from basic. And if you see this tutorial, you can just copy paste and you can go to your desktop. Let us suppose you want to see how it is working on the desktop. You can just see demo and HTML. So let me demo HTML. You have to click over here in this and file, save as test page.html. We call, you can select all from here and save on your desktop and just save, and this is the page. Okay, and right click and open with Google Chrome. You will see that you will see this is HTML, this is testing of demo, this is paragraph. So this is how you can easily start learning HTML. Just try and see all the things which are available on this website, the HTML editors, what kind of editors you can use. You can use Notepad++ or text edit. If I go Notepad++, you can just go on this Notepad++, and this is a really good notepad for learning any programming. So you can just download any of the release. You can click over here and you will see this will be the download. I already have this in my laptop installed, so I will show you later on. So you have to go over here, and after HTML, see, when you just go to the other thing, you will see HTML styles. So HTML styles is the one of the important things for after HTML which you need to learn, because after making the structure of the whole page you have to give it a design. So let us suppose you see this colors, you see this background color gray, this hovering black and green, this green color coming up, this all is coming up because of the HTML CSS together. And then when you later on go, then you will find my shell forms. I'll show you example of one forms. This is a form you must have seen when you log in onto any website. You will see this form, and this is the input box. This is another input box, and then here's the submit button. After that, HTML graphic, HTML media. You can add video, audio, HTML media, HTML APIs are there, HTML examples are there, and apart from this is just in HTML. You have to go for CSS for your designing the whole page. I will show you one example. CSS colors. So if you see this, tomato, orange, dodge, everything, just try yourself, and when you click over here you will see that HTML style background color is tomato. So you have given color to the HTML element. If you see over here, let me just copy paste this thing into our file. See, I already have HTML editor, but right now I will use I will use this. I have this HTML editor Node++. Okay, no need. Okay, from here I will add. Okay, just copy paste just to save time. Okay, see, I have added style background color tomato. Let me do it red. Now you will see this heading which we have already made. This heading will become red. So let me refresh from here and see, this has become red. I can go over here and I can change the color yellow. If I check the color, it will turn yellow. So this is how you can just go over here and do your practice for designing websites, and you can just try to color is equal to red. See, now this color black, this is a heading, this is testing of demo. So this will coming red and the background will become yellow. See, this, the changes are coming. So this is how you can start your website development. You can just start and you can just go to another JavaScript. So JavaScript is basically it gives dynamics to your whole website. Now let us say I go over here and just say click me to display date and time. So when you click over here, it will show date and time. If I copy paste whole thing into our page, you will see that thing. So we need this also. Okay, so now we go over here and I will refresh this page. Okay, see, this is coming. If I check this page, you can see that there are a lot of information that we can do. You can just try yourself. This is a whole tutorial how you can start your website development. This is SQL. SQL is basically when you make a login, you have to, or when you want to save data. So basically SQL is for saving the data from the users. Like let's suppose you log into a website. When you log into a website, your data is saved in a website. So SQL is for that. The full form is a structured query language. So basically it saves the data into databases. I will show you. Hopefully I'll make a whole tutorial for you how to make website. Now we will go to Python. Python is also a programming language. The programming language for web application. PHP is there. Bootstrap is there. Basically PHP is for making server-side language. When you see like I'll give you the PHP example. PHP, the Facebook is made on PHP. Then there is a Bootstrap. Bootstrap is there. You can just check out Bootstrap, and when you go over here, you'll find a lot of resources for you to just go and start learning websites, how to make a website. So this is W3 School is one of the best source. Many people just go over here for learning the basics of making a website. And if you go over here, website building, web templates, so you can go over here. See, this is a template, already made template for you to go and check out how this website is made. See, it's very good. This is basically nothing more, it's just a best example for you to how you can make a website. You can even, somebody can even just use the resource for making a website for themselves, or maybe for the client. You can just go contact page is there. If I click over here, it's a date because there's so many things which you can learn from this website, and this is one of the best source for anybody to starting websites. So just try this website, and I'm sure that you like it. If you like my this video on website development, best resource for you of making website, or maybe learning website coding skills basically, so you can learn from here, and you can even go to this website and start making website for your client, for your business, for your job. Like, you can come on again and again and just see basic example. Like, many skilled developer also come over here to just refresh their skills and learn skills. Many people come for the interview and just check this website, how you can check this website, and how many codes are there. It gets added, new things are added up. I just show you one more example. This parallax example, this is one of the best effects, parallax effect, one generally people ask to add on their website. So this is really good resource for you. This is one of the best resource, and this website is among the best of the websites across all platforms. So you can check, and I think you can take a test also. Yes, see, the quizzes are there. You can just, when you learn HTML, you can go over here and you can take a quiz. So you can go over here and start your HTML quiz. So let's just take, what does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup Language. Next, like this, you can take test, and you can test yourself. Who is making the web standards? The World Wide Web Consortium is making this. So like this, you can go over here and just check yourself. I'm not going to go on all the things. You can test yourself, but just go for this. You can bookmark this tutorial for yourself, and you can just go through it anytime you want. So I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Our channel is new, and we are growing this channel, and if you subscribe and like my video, it will give me a lot of confidence to make more videos for you, and it gives me a motivation. So please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.